Fluffy the dog. Fluffy is a dog. Fluffy likes to eat a bone. Fluffy likes to play with a ball. Fluffy likes to bark. Woof, woof. Fluffy likes to drink water out of his green bowl. Fluffy is a good dog. The turtle. The turtle is slow. The turtle eats fruit. The turtle sleeps in its shell. The turtle sleeps in its shell in the sun. The rabbit. There is a white rabbit. The rabbit eats a carrot. The carrot is orange. The rabbit is happy.